Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm not educated in the art of video editing in any way. I just have too much free time. If you somehow blow something up, I'm not responsible, but I will be impressed. People always have negative things to say about Premiere Pro's preview playback. It's too slow. It's too choppy. It murdered my entire family. It's because OBS encodes your footage using the H.264 codec, which is good for a final upload, but shit for editing purposes. So, what is a desperate editor to do? The solution to this problem is to create proxy files of your original footage using a different codec. Things you will need: Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Media Encoder, your amazing footage that you recorded, and maybe a sandwich or something. After you've imported your footage to your project, and it's had time to settle in and get comfortable, be sure to tell it it's nothing personal, it just isn't good enough. Then right-click on it and hover over Proxy, and select Create Proxies. Under Format, choose QuickTime. Choose one of the 3 ProRes presets. Right below that, you can choose where your proxy files will go. Depending on how many files you're working with and how much you enjoy anal, you may want them to go to a specific folder. Otherwise, they will appear next to wherever your original footage is located in a new folder created by Premiere. Click OK and try not to panic. Media Encoder will now open. The process should start automatically. Now take out your sandwich or something. This might take a while. Too much mustard. Now that it's done, you can safely kill Media Encoder. Right-click on your original footage again, hover over Proxy, and select Attach Proxies. Select your original footage from the list and click Attach. Go to where you stored your proxy file and select it. Hit OK, and now it's attached. Go over to your preview window and click that little plus right there. Find the button that says Toggle Proxies and forcibly drag it into the quick menu. You can now toggle your proxies on and off. And you're done. Your once choppy playback should now be quick and snappy. Please bear in mind that doing this will result in more storage space being used up. And no, I don't know if this will work with
insert other editing programs here,
but I imagine there's a way to do it there. Now go edit shit and make your parents proud?